Okay, we're making a video of the birds. So these are sparrows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they're having a little lunch. They're having a little lunch. Oh, they're pecking away. Oh. So what's in there? Basically seeds?
I have no idea.
Oh.
Here comes a third.
Oh, there's number 3. Ooh, number 4. Oh, there's one of the, that's a pretty bird. That sparrow on the side.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's the crow in the garden.
Oh, come on, Mr. Crow. Come on, Mr. Crow, get on the feeder.
Well, sometimes the feeders, they eat off the ground too, because I throw some on the ground. You can see some by the plant, because it comes out of the holes. You got 4
Now we have 4. Oh, it's like a seesaw.
Isn't it fascinating?
It's cute.
Oh, I love it.
This is very
It's
cute.
the best $15 I ever spent.
It's very entertaining.
It absolutely is.
And it's nice for the birds. Oh, they come, they go. I'd like a different species of bird to show up.
Yeah.
To liven this up so far.
Well, I've seen sparrows, the grosbeak, robin, blue jay.
Oh, that one, that's, I'm getting a nice view of that one. That's
Yeah.
right on my side here. And his feathers are very pretty. Very pretty shades of brown.
The thing is, you get so close to them. See, look at his head. You can see the
I
different colors on his
know.
head.
I know. Maybe you'll get to recognize specific ones. And they could be your friends.
I don't know how you can tell one from another.
Well, maybe one will come like with a broken wing, or maybe 1 foot, you know, like a handicapped bird. A special needs bird. All right. I think that's it for now.